Hi, this is Neha. Now I'm going to explain timer objects and timer functions and objects using JavaScript. We have some questions. My first question is write a JavaScript code to display the digital clock. This is my output page. Uh, in H1 tag for main heading I use the H1 tag. In that H1 tag I have given digital clock. Here I have used the span ID, that is time, to call by ID, and here I have used inside the script tag I have declared the function name called display. Inside the function I have given some variables for date, time, minutes and seconds. By ID called time I have get element by ID, and I set the interval. In that interval I have given the function name and some time. This is my output page and this is my digital clock. We go for second question. Write the JavaScript code to change the background color for every 30 seconds. For every 30 seconds I have to change my background color. So again I have used the h1 tag for my main heading, that is dynamic background. I have used the function called set background for setting the background for every 30 seconds. So for changing every 30 seconds I have used the math function. Again I have used the set interval function. Inside the set interval function I called my function called set background. And I have given some timing. In my output, for every 30 seconds it is going to change the background color. Previously it is green, now it is red. And my third question is, we have to create event handler that is increase the font size when a mouse or when mouse moves over a paragraph, and decrease the size when the mouse move off the paragraph. So whereas in my code, see in my output, when I'm going to place my cursor, it increasing the font size, whereas I'm going to remove it, it going to decreasing. For these I have created one ID called para1. In that I have used two functions, that is on mouse over and on mouse out. In that I have again I have declared two functions called increase size and decrease size. For these two functions inside the script tag I have declared two functions, that is function increase size and function decrease size. By using id called para1 I'm going to get element. And my fourth question is, this is animation function, that is move to absolute position car image when a user click the move button and stop the curve when a user click the stop button. Here in my output, when I click start, it going to move. When I stop it, it will be stop. My code is Inside the script tag I have declared many variables, and I have used the function for one for initialization, one for move right, and one for stop. Inside the initialization I have used two CSS properties, one for position and another for border. And in the function move right, again I have used a function called set timeout. And my last function, that is stop. Here I am going to stop my image, so I have used the function called clear timeout. And animate is my variable. Here I am going to call my variable, and my final question is, I have to create the array for the book. And for in my first array I have to create to name of the book author, and in the second array I have to declare the before and after the year. Inside the script tag I have created the array for the book, that is and I have given the author names. In my second array I have created another book, that is my book 1 is my second book. Author is Adam and the year published is 1985. Whereas in my first array, my book name is my book and author is Samuel and year published is 1969. And for these two arrays, I have given two for loops. And by using the id called array, I have get the element by id. This is my fifth experiment. Thank you.